students get to experience the life of a college student within one of these programs. My name is Claudia Romo. I'm the lead organizer for the CTE Career Exploration Summer Camp. I'm a counselor here at the campus. CTE is Career Technical Education. CTE classrooms, they'll get the lecture part, and then what they learned in lecture goes into practice right away into a lab. And so they are practicing already what they've learned in the classroom right in the lab, like right after class or the following day when they meet. So if they're sitting in the computer, in the music computer lab, our students sit there, our college students sit there. So what we want to make sure that we are a home for them. They can come to Rio Hondo. It's very exciting every summer when we get to welcome middle school students, because you'll get that one student that'll say, you know what, I never thought about college, but now I'm excited. And so we've done our objective of changing that perspective, that college is very attainable and that Rio Hondo is part of their community.